This is the neck knife that came from Toferner. This is absolutely stunning. The sheath is really, really high quality leather. I will say that the leather did come in a little bit dry. The leather cord that it originally came with was so dry that it actually snapped when I got it, but I was going to replace it with this cord anyway, so it didn't really bother me. But with a little bit of leather, loosened right up and had no trouble. So, or a little bit of oil, pardon me. And then the knife, on the other hand, is just perfect. I adore this knife. It's made of really, really solid material. It's nice and thick. Comes out of the box pretty much, paper cutting sharp. It's not, hair shaving sharp, but this is sharper than what you can expect from most knives you can purchase online. It's very sturdy, and I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight as well. I find myself forgetting I'm wearing it. So I highly recommend this little knife.